Videos are for educational purposes only.
Hey goddess babes, these are gonna to be all of the products that I'm gonna be using today for my DIY pedicure at home.
It's about midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive.
Now let's get started in these feet transformation. I still cannot believe I went this long without doing my feet. Please don't judge me. Lol.
Heard from you. Heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me out, just take me out. Yeah, just take me out. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt,
song y'all can step with. Y'all appointed me to bring rap justice, but I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro only describe us as soldier survivors. Stay laced in the best, well dressed with.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
We can drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at. Through the Smurf, through the WAP baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at?
Come to the club, step aside. All the seats, don't be heavy in the lounge. VIP, cause you know I got a shout. Love you bird, give me love you long time. All my girls get down on the floor. Back to back, drop it down real low. Such a lady, but I'm dancing like a house. You know I don't give a fuck, so here we go. How come every time you come around my London Bridge, wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London, we going down like. How come every time you come around my London Bridge, wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London, we going down like. Drinks start pouring and my speech starts slurring, everybody start looking for the shoes. That Grey Goose got your girl feeling loose. Now I'm wishing that I didn't wear these shoes. It's like every time I get up on the do, paparazzi put my business in the news. And I'ma get up on my face, or I turn around and spray your ass with mace. My lips make you wanna have to taste. You got that? I got the bass. How come every time you come around my London Bridge, wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London, we going down like. How come every time you come around my London Bridge, wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London, we going down like. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. If I was a rich girl, see I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end, 'cause I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, think what that money could bring. I'd buy everything, clean out Vivian Westwood in my gas.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Let's do my fancy house in London town. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. Your loving is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, see I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end, 'cause I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? What? Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what?
The downtown don't lie. Got the hazard on the gon' fire. You can tell me on the ride. Tell the paparazzi get the damn right. Got the downtown on the line. Got the hazard on the gon' fire. You can catch me on the ride. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got to put the damn top on live. Got the hazard on, only gon' fly. You can catch me on
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Never